I know what it's like to be doing so well with your healthy habits and you feel like I'm seeing the weight coming off, I'm feeling better about my body, but I'm staring down the barrel of Thanksgiving and of Christmas, and those holidays are just so filled with food, and I know that not all of that food helps me to feel better. And so I'm wondering, like, how am I going to stay on track? And so I created the program because I knew exactly what it felt like to feel so alone and to feel like I was the only person that was still trying to be healthy at this time of year. So I wanted to bring together a group of women that felt the same way, that wanted to be supported and encouraged and know that they weren't alone, and that there was a way of being healthy that didn't mean you had to be deprived, didn't mean you have to be starving yourself, but still meant you could show up for yourself every single day, even during the holiday season.